If you have both an iPhone as well as a Gmail account, you probably have noticed that the Google Calendar and the Apple iPhone calendar don't work seamlessly together and sync up perfectly. But there is one cool trick to be able to do just that so they work perfectly together and sync up. I'll show you exactly how to do it. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll to the bottom. Tap on Apps at the bottom. Scroll down until you get to Calendar and tap on Calendar. Tap on Calendar Accounts. And then if you haven't added your account already, just tap on Add an Account and then tap on Google and sign into your Google or Gmail account. This will enable the ability to sync up everything on your iPhone. And now after you've done that, tap the back arrow and then tap on that account here, let's say this one, and make sure Calendars is toggled on. So if it is turned off by default, all you need to do is turn it on. The second thing that we're going to do is to hop out of here and open up the Calendars app on your iPhone. And then at the bottom right, tap on that little calendar symbol, the one over to the left. And make sure that Gmail or that Google Calendar is selected. So here it is. If that is unselected, just tap on it so that you make sure that it is on your phone and that it is visible. And now let's sync up everything. To be able to do that, we're going to use a website. Let me open it up. And it is calendar.google.com/calendar/sync select. So just type exactly this URL into a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome. And let me show you what happens. If I tap on it to open it up, it brings me immediately here to Google Calendar Sync Settings. Select Calendar to sync on your iPhone, iPad, or iCal. So here is my Google account. And then shared calendars, let's unselect holidays. I want to sync it up with my family account, my family Apple account that I share with my wife so that everybody will be able to see all of the calendars and events on our calendar. Next, you're going to just tap on Save here, and it will go through the process of syncing up all of the calendar information between your Google or Gmail account as well as your Apple calendar. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.